10, 1808. Richard Trevithick, a mine engineer, first demonstrated a mobile engine on rails in 1804. It pulled 70 men and 10 tons of iron ore in front of a crowd of amazed onlookers. His next engine became a fairground ride. Next slide. What's a locomotive? Locomotive is a part of the train which contains the engine. It does the work of pulling the train along the track. Locomotives may have carried their fuels with them. They have special wheels to grip the track. Next slide. Orient Express. Which train was the most luxurious? The Orient Express offered passengers a lounge, a ladies' drawing room, fully serviced bedroom suites, and a fantastic drawing room. Dinners ate in evening dresses. A modern version of the Orient Express still runs between the London and Venice. Next slide. What was the biggest train crime? We have already seen that the bank robbery, but this is a new one, the train crime. In 1963, a train was robbed in Buckinghamshire, England. The thieves got away with used bills worth of millions of dollars, huge sum of money even today. Next slide. Is it true? Some trains are too big? Yes. The Soviet Union made a locomotive in 1934 that was too long. Its non-swinging wheels and heavy weight actually straightened out a curve in the track, leaving it stuck in a ditch. Next slide. Which train travels farthest? The once daily service between Moscow and Vladivostok in Russia travels 586 miles, taking 8 days. Known as the Trans-Siberian of the Russia, the train has featured in several books and films. It is second only in the fame of the Orient Express. We move to our last slide. That is it true? Some trains runs on magnet? Yes. Germany and Japan have both tested trains that used repelling magnets to float above the track. The track doesn't wear out, and the trains can slip along at the amazing speed. Bye. Take care.